Hello everyone and welcome to another Google Ads tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to create placement exclusion lists in Google Ads. We're going to go straight to the point, but before we go there, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So step number one, we are going to log into our Google Ads. We are going to go to Tools from the left-hand side, and once we go to Tools, we're going to open Shared Library, and we're going to select Exclusion Lists. We're going to select Placement Exclusion List. We're going to click the plus symbol, and we're going to say we want to create a new list. And here we're going to say, we're going to name this, let's say, Placement Exclusions. So you're going to give it a name, and we can select what we want to exclude. So now we can select specific websites. You can type, let's say, website names here, website URLs, one by one, for example, and then you can select websites that you want to exclude, and you can save, or you can exclude YouTube channels, you can exclude YouTube videos, you can exclude specific applications, you can exclude specific app categories, let's say altogether. It's up to you how you are going to modify your placement exclusion list. Once you are happy with your inputs, then what you need to do is to select your placement exclusion list and click apply to campaigns, and then simply go and apply this placement exclusion list to all of your campaigns. So that's how simple it is to select a placement exclusion. That's how simple it is to create and apply a placement exclusion list to multiple Google Ads display or video campaigns. Now, couple of very important points that are going to be super useful for everyone. What if we want to bulk upload placements? Because it's not convenient to just insert websites one by one. We want to bulk upload a lot of different placements here to our Google Ads placement exclusion list. First of all, we need to find these negative placements. Right? So let me very quickly go to campaigns. And once we go to campaigns, we're going to select, let's say, our display campaign. We're going to go to when and where our ad sold, where ad sold, and we are going to download the list with all the placements as a CSV or as an Excel file. Once we download this as a CSV or an Excel file, we are going to work on this file to find all the placements that are irrelevant. What you can do is you can filter placements with 0 conversions, placements with a lot of impressions and 0 clicks. We have another video explaining how to go about negative placements. But let's say we have a list of websites that I want to exclude. Doesn't matter how big it's going to be. You are going to copy these placements. You're going to copy all of them. And then you are going to go back to your placement exclusion list here, and you are going to say, click the plus symbol, and you're going to say, I want to upload a list, right? So you're going to select the upload option. Before you rush into, let's upload this file that we have, there is a specific template that we can use for this job. So we can click here, and we can download this template as a CSV. And we need to work on this template. So how do we work on this template? So here we have specific columns. The first column, row type, we are going to input negative placement because we are uploading negative placements. These columns here don't matter. The placement exclusion list name here doesn't really matter because we are uploading directly on this placement exclusion list. And this column that says placement exclusion is where we're going to go, and we are going to paste basically our negative placements, right? So let me copy everything one more time. So we're going to copy these guys here. We're going to come back here to this template, and we are going to basically paste everything. So we need to make sure that everything that is a required row is complete. So the first, which is row type, and the last one, which is placement exclusion, are the required columns. So everything that is required is actually complete. So we're uploading negative placements. These are the negative placements we want to upload. Let's save this file in a way that we can understand what it is. So we're going to say test exclusions v2 or whatever you want to name it. And now that we have this file, basically, we're going to go back to our Google Ads here. We're going to say we want to upload the file from our computer, and we're going to say test exclusions v2. That's the file we're going to apply. And now the system will basically upload all of these negative placements in bulk. So now here the system is working, and we can see all the placements now added to our placement exclusion list. It is very important, again, to use the template and use the template correctly, right? So there are some columns, as you've seen here, that are mandatory. The first column and the last column. If you follow the instructions, it's going to be extremely easy to do this. And you can follow exactly the same steps from the very beginning if you want to create a placement exclusion list, let's say by bulk uploading from the get-go. For example, we can upload a list, we can name it whatever you like, and you can upload thousands of placement exclusions. As long as we fill in the template correctly, everything should go smoothly. So that's how we can create placement exclusion list in Google Ads. I hope this video was useful. I hope you were able to follow the steps. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, if you need help on anything else, make sure you drop a comment below. And thank you very much for watching. Have a great day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.